Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay in Shein using GCash. So let's start. First, open your Shein application and add the items that you wish to buy. After adding the items, proceed to checkout page. On this checkout page, locate GCash in the payment options and select it as your preferred method. After that, tap on continue. You will then be directed to the GCash application to authorize the payment. Follow the on-screen prompts, confirm the transaction, and wait for the payment to be processed. Once you have completed the payment process in GCash, return to the Shein application, where you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment was successful. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.